হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আপনাদেরকে সবাইকে জানাই আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা। মাই নেম ইজ আবুল সারকার। আই এম দ্য প্রেসিডেন্ট অফ BD Community Hub. I was born in Bangladesh and went to the local school, then Bangladesh Agricultural University. I started my professional career as a research scientist in Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institute. In 1996, I came to Australia with my family. I then further studied in University of Wollongong. In 2000s, I moved to Minto and immediately fell in love. Over the years, I have observed that various multicultural and ethnic communities have moved to this area due to the beautiful nature, communications, and affordability in purchasing a home. However, every community needs their own cultural and religious establishment, such as churches, temples, synagogue, mosque, and facilities including cemeteries, education, health care, funeral parlor, recreation facilities, which is the significant part of their daily lifestyle. In the past, we all have seen that the community do a vital role to secure law and order. Back then, Minto was not a good area as we have seen now. I have taken initiative to establish Minto Community Watch, securing law and order, work together with police, council, and other political personnel such as Graham West, Russell Matheson, Brian Dowell, Laurie Ferguson, and so on, to give the best education for our kids. I started a community tutoring center by the name Quantum Coaching in my garage. Those well-educated kids now have been working in various fields as doctor, engineer, chartered accountant, teacher. We call them Made in Garage. In 2008, we founded Australian Muslim Welfare Center. I was one of the founding members, which is now the largest community organization in this area. In 2012, community inspired me to contest the city council election as independently. Although we lost the election by only 151 votes. However, the community shown the spirit and established the future roadmap. In 2013, when Rana Plaza in Bangladesh collapsed, I took initiative to raise fund for helping to the survivors. Community shown tremendous empathy and was able to raise more than $20,000 in shortest possible time, which was donated to the Center for Rehabilitation Program, CRP. In the same year, we formed Australian Bangladesh Social Security Agreement Group. I was the founding coordinator. Then Dr. Anisul Afsar and some other community members done enormous job. Although we are still not able to make this happen. February 2014, community organized and observed the first time ever the International Mother Language Day in this area. I was the devoted member to organize this. Since then, we have organized so many charities, events, and raised funds such as Victoria Bushfire, Queensland Flood, Cyclone Cedar, 2019 Bushfire. I was always an active member of these charity events. In the same year, I became the General Secretary of Bangla Prashar Committee and Krishibid Australia. I am also proud board member of AMWC Funeral Fund. Recently, we have established the BD Community Hub. I am the president of the hub. We have successfully organized so many events such as Victory Day celebration, Australia Day barbecue, observing International Mother Language Day, and month-long event for celebrating the Golden Jubilee of Independence Day of Bangladesh. My son, Alvi, loved to play cricket. I was the junior team manager of Magpie Cricket Club. My two daughters, who have graduated from university and started their own journey. My wife and I both have been working for federal government and spent our spare time for the community. When 2014, Paul Lake was the mayor of Campbellton City Council. He signed off a historic and most demanding project to establishing the Verroville Cemetery, even though there were big obstacles. Recently, Paul Lake and his running mate, Josh Cotter, invited me to support their party and request to contest in upcoming city council election from their party. Paul will be retiring this year after a long and colorful political career. He wishes if someone could take over his political and community work to carry on his legacy he contributed over the years. This is my journey is. Thank you.